Hello friends, again we came here in our channel and here is the item for the Chelo Kabab in pita cut style. So nowadays we are not able to go in any restaurant, so here is the time to make this beautiful platter dish for dinner. So we have taken for kebabs, for chicken and other items, like this is the boneless chicken and then corn flour and then curd, then masala, salt, ginger garlic paste and the other items. So here we are taking the half portion of the boneless chicken and we are mixing with curd and along with that this is for the chicken Hariyali Kebabs. So we are adding along with curd and Pudina and coriander leaves paste and the green chilli paste along with the onion, ginger garlic paste and green chilli paste and the other components like salt, Tandoori Masala, and we will be marinating this entire mixture for at least 30 minutes so that the chicken pieces will be too much juicy and it will be very tasty after the kebabs. So keep continuing and watch the process. This is the second phase where we will be making the chicken Reshmi Kebab. So we are adding curd in the half portion of the boneless chicken and along with that we are using the fresh cream, ginger garlic paste, onion paste, Tandoori Masala and salt as per the taste. So we will just mix the entire ingredients with the chicken pieces and we will also keep it for marination for at least 30 minutes so that the entire masala and all these things goes into the pieces and it becomes so rich in taste. So keep watching. This is the third phase where we are adding corn flour into the chicken keema. This is for the chicken Seekh kebab and along with that we are going to add curd, onion, ginger garlic paste and along with the tandoori masala and red chili powder and turmeric and salt. So here we are making the entirely in a home process, so it may not be similar like restaurant but it will definitely indeed very tasty when everything will be done. Keep watching. Steps are completed. Now we have taken bamboo sticks which is readily available and we are putting the entire paste, the chicken keema for the Seekh kebab and we are preparing the shapes. We are giving the shapes for the for cooking purpose and one by one we will also add the marinated chicken Hariyali Kebab pieces and the Reshmi Kebabs. So but before that you can use those bamboo sticks into the water so that it will be very easy to chicken pieces, and so so the steps are already showing here, and you can follow the steps the way I'm doing here, and so that it should not just hold off from the chicken bamboo sticks, and it will be very sticky kind of stuff. But when you fry it in a tawa, then it will get a beautiful smell and beautiful shape. In the same manner, in the next phase, what we are doing, we are adding all those chicken Hariyali and Reshmi Kebab marinated pieces into the bamboo stick one by one. The way in general in the restaurant style, you can see like chickens are just are used in a restaurant, and then put it in a long iron stick, and they use generally tandoori oven. But here we will do in a different process at home, because we don't have any tandoori oven in our home. But in a normal oven, in the gas oven also, you can do it in tawa. So you can look like the way I am using the chicken pieces and sticking together into a bamboo stick, and keep it ready for everything. Keep the juice left over. Here I am using the butter in the hot tawa, and one by one I will first start with the Reshmi Kebabs, and then I'll give the chicken Hariyali. So here is the chicken Reshmi Kebab, and I'm putting it, and let it be fried for the longer period of time, and keep adding some butter, melted butter, because I'm using butter just because the taste will be much more better. But if you don't have, then you can use normal oil also. I'm just putting over the leftover portion of the marination juice, like the mixture of the cream and curd and other ingredients, and I'm giving some time to cook it very well, so that the chicken pieces become well cooked and soft and tasty as well. So you can see the chicken pieces are almost cooked, and it's very good, smelly and smoky sound, as well as the taste that I can feel even right now itself, and it looks very good and it's cooked well. So what I'll do, I'll just keep it in a separate bowl for the later purpose. And now I'm adding the pieces of the chicken Hariyali Kebab. Same process, same ingredients, and same the butter that I'm using in a hot tawa, and at least it will take another 15 or 20 minutes or 25 minutes max to cook it. But make sure that your flame is high, and you keep adding the melted butter over it, so that it cooks very well, and it becomes soft in nature. this step you can see like that Hariyali Kebab is almost ready, and it takes a very beautiful texture, and also the chicken pieces are cooked. So what I'll do, I'll just give the final touch and I'll keep it aside for the next step. It's almost ready. You can have it in a separately, not within Chelo Kabab, but as a separate dish you can use it also. Now I'll be using some add some oil, because I have already used the butter. So butter is there in our tawa, and I'm going to add the chicken Seekh kebab pieces, and the same process I'll just fry it together. All the kebabs are done, what I have put, like I keep all the kebabs in a pot, and in a small container I'm using the hot charcoal and adding some ghee so that it creates some smoke. This is just because of getting that smoky flavor into the kebabs, because we are not using here the coal tandoori oven, so artificially we are using it. And when the smoke started just spreading out, I'll just cover the entire container and keep it around 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes is required to get the all charcoal smoky flavor into the kebabs. And when you will eat it, you will feel the smoke, that as if it has been cooked in a coal oven. Now here is the last step I'm doing just another very easy step for making up egg poach, which is very common in our every home. And I'm using one egg into a hot pan, and this is the poach, the first step, and I'm using some pinch of salt along with some pinch of black pepper, so that and then make sure the poach is very intact and looks beautiful. And this will be used for eating and also decoration purpose. So this is the last step, and in the next step we will be seeing that how we have decorated along with the boiled vegetables, salad, kebabs, and boiled rice with butter and poach. So this is the platter that we have made, which is readily available in Pitcher Cat in Kolkata, a very famous restaurant. But at home you can prepare in this way also. I believe that it will give you the same flavor and same texture and same beautiful dish. So your platter is almost ready for the eat and serve, and I hope that you like it the way we have prepared this Chelo Kebab at our home.